Hey guys, I'm Jennifer Bands, and today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these pumpkin cheesecake bites. So keto and so delicious. Let's take a bite. So good. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today we're making pumpkin cheesecake bites, and they are so good and perfect for this time of year because we are in fall and everything's pumpkin. So let's do this. We're gonna start with an 8-ounce block of cream cheese that we've softened. We have it cut up because it just makes it easier and quicker to soften it when it's cut up. We've also got a 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree. This is just pumpkin in a can. You don't want it to have any other ingredients. Just pumpkin. So we're going to beat this to bring these two together. So when I originally made this recipe, I used coconut flour, and it calls for a 1/2 cup of coconut flour, but I just don't really like coconut flour. It hurts my stomach, so I'm gonna convert this to almond flour. As you know, you might not know, I don't know, coconut flour is very absorbent, much more absorbent than almond flour. So while this recipe uses a 1/2 cup of coconut flour, it'll probably need a cup or more of almond flour. So I'm going to start with a cup, and I'm going to go ahead and add in my 1/3 cup of powdered sweetener and a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. So we're going to mix this up, and we may be adding more almond flour. Yes, this is still really wet. So I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of this almond flour. So that's a 1.5 cups of almond flour, or a 1/2 cup of coconut flour. So those were still the batter was still a little too wet, so we ended up doing 2 cups of almond flour. So now the batter looks perfect. So I'm going to roll or scoop our mixture into little bites. Okay, I've got them all scooped out. There's another sheet tray with more bites on it. But I wet my hands a little bit, and I'm rolling these just quickly into a more uniform ball. So these are about a tablespoon each, and you could make them bigger if you wanted to, because each serving is about 3 balls. Okay, now we're going to make the coating for the outside. So we've got a little food processor here, and we've got a 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds and a tablespoon of powdered sugar-free sweetener. So we're going to pulse this until it's finely ground. Okay, here's our coating mixture. So we're just going to roll the pumpkin bites in the coating mixture, and there's one of our little pumpkin bites. Super, super cute, and I really love the colors with the green pumpkin seeds and the orange pumpkin bite, cheesecake bite. So after we get all of these rolled, you're going to want to put these in the refrigerator for at least an hour just to let the cream cheese set up. But look at how cute those are. And we don't have to wait. I don't have to wait. I can just take a bite right now. Those are so good. And of course, they'd be even better refrigerated. The coating gives more sweetness. Those are good. So guys, be sure you check out this recipe. If you're looking for more fat bomb recipes, you can go to jenniferbands.com and search for fat bombs. I've got a whole, I think 3 other recipes on fat bombs. If you're on YouTube, you can click this box right here and it will take you to a video where I make 3 different fat bombs, and they're just as easy as this one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.